Hello and hi everyone! In this series, my weekend plan is on a journey to explore the flavors of Malaysia, one dish at a time. On this very weekend is our last episode of featuring Malaysia's food according to the 13 states, and wow, time really flies. And to end this series with a bang, let's learn how to cook Sabah's Mee Tuaran. Sabahans out there, today's your day! Mee Tuaran is one of the greatest representations of Sabah. Its golden-colored noodle is served with glazed roasted chicken that oozes out the perfect flavor which many enjoy. Sabah, being the second largest state in Malaysia, is located on the northern part of Borneo, which neighbors the largest state, Sarawak. So come and join me as we dive into preparing Sabah's Mee Tuaran. Let's start by preparing the char siu sauce. Mix all the ingredients, then add in a few drops of red food coloring. Then marinate the chicken so that it soaks up all the goodness. While waiting for the chicken to marinate, heat up some oil to fry the egg noodle until it turns golden brown. While waiting for the water to boil, cut up all the ingredients into bite-sized pieces. Back to the noodle, blanch the fried noodle for a quick one, then remove it from the pot. Moving along, fry the garlic and egg until it is cooked, then add in the egg noodle and choy sam to stir fry together. Next, just place some marinated chicken onto a tray to roast it in the oven. In between roasting, layer the char siu sauce on top of the chicken to give it a stronger taste. Finally, place the fried egg noodle and the roasted chicken on a plate and sprinkle it with some chili on the top. That's it! Good luck trying and stay tuned to the end for more food tasting moments. Thank you guys for watching. If you find this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you when I see you. Bye!
The 7 really came out. Yay, yay, yay! Whoa guys, look at that! We have a char siu today. Okay, no, it's not really a char siu, but it's actually made of chicken. Can you believe it? And it definitely looks glazed with amazing honey. And there's the noodle, which I'm not sure what kind of noodle, but it looks a little bit like kolomi noodle. There's capsicum, there's what veggie? Oh, no capsicum ah. Sorry, it looks like capsicum from here. Oh, chili and sawi and some egg, and there you go. And it's called Mee Tuaran from Sabah. Woohoo! Okay, so we're gonna dig into it, and today we have 3 special guests. We have Amirul, Terence, and guess who's next? Yeah, that's me. I'm coming, guys, and I'll see you guys real soon. Okay, let's go. The 7 really came out.
Okay, this one is very different. I definitely like the taste because there's the honey aftertaste, and then it's very different from the original char siu, because that one is pork and this one is made from chicken, so it's definitely very different. Yeah, and also my first time eating this one. Yeah.
I feel the noodle, right, reminds me of the noodle my kakak used to cook.
But
Not trying to bring it down, but just okay. It means she cooks well, right? Because so you cook one month.
Oh, actually, it's good lah. It reminded you of something.
Yeah, I guess because it's, correct me if I'm wrong, a bit like how people normally fry noodles. Oh, is there a special way they fry this noodle?
But this one is very special.
Yeah.
Really?
Actually, it's special just in terms of you deep fry the noodle first until it puffs up and crispy. And then you boil the noodle and then you stir fry the noodle.
So it's actually 3 steps.
Yeah.
How long was the process to make this?
Which part? The chicken or the noodle?
Chicken.
So the chicken basically it needs to be marinated for more than 3 hours. 3 hours is the minimum lah, to get the flavor and also to get the red color. See?
It's also very tender.
Yeah. And the soy sauce helps lah with the marination to make it more tender and juicy.
How much you rate?
10 out of 10. Easy.
Ui. Ui.
Why?
Why 10?
Quite bad.
I mean, it's very, very juicy. And then the taste is really good. Everything, everything is perfect. Yeah.
Maybe 7.58.
7.58.
7.58-ish. I guess because like, I mean, I've had a lot of chassis out there, like really good ones, where they are not just sweet, but they have the very
Burnt taste, right?
aromatic
Oh, this one
taste
was
to
burnt
it.
taste.
Yeah. So this one
More sweet.
is probably like okay sweet with garlic-ish. Then that's it. Yeah. So like if it can bring a little bit more flavors to it. But it's good. Yeah, it's good. It's just definitely can be better. But yeah, it's great, guys. You should really try it. Yeah. And the health?
Do I have to rate my own food?
Yes.
I think I probably give it a 7.
Okay.
Because I feel like I can do the noodles a bit better. But the recipe is as good as it is. But I actually wanted to try to use the original Tuaran noodle. But I can't. That's the difference.
Difference between Tuaran noodle.
It's actually the same. It's just Tuaran noodle is made in Tuaran. Yeah.
Okay. Ta-da! And this is our last episode of
13 states.
Exploring 13 states of dishes.
Yeah.
Well done!
Finally.
Thanks to our chef. Thanks to Chef Amril for doing all the research, going through all the states of Malaysia. It's a journey, and I hope you guys get to learn a lot about food from different states, because I definitely did. Like I never knew like what on earth is a mee Tuaran,
Same.
right? Like
Yeah, suddenly I went to few states already.
suddenly if I know a new friend, then they say they're from Ipoh. Oh my god, you mean Ipoh Kasi Homan? I have to mention the whole name. Yeah, and that just made me feel like okay lah, I'm a little bit more knowledgeable and I can talk about food with people.
Yeah.
And he also get good at cooking, recognizing the ingredients.
Even eat tempoyak.
Yeah.
Another
And
tempeh.
yeah, we discover new food every time. And if you want to know more about us, learn more about food,
And check out our website.
you know who to follow, where to go. If you like watching,
Subscribe.
follow and subscribe depending where you are, YouTube or Facebook. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Yeah.
Bye.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.
I'm gonna close.